Now the next topic in the chapter coordinate geometry says area of triangles. So first of all, we know that what is the basic formula for area of a triangle, that is equal to half into base into height, correct? But in this we are using coordinate geometry to do this. If we are given the coordinates of all the three vertices of a triangle, then this is the formula we are going to use to find out the area for the triangle. The formula is half into x1, that is the x coordinate for the first vertex, into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is very simple to remember. We have half into x1 into what is after 1 comes, there is 2, so y2 minus y3 plus x2, what comes after 2, there is 3, right? So after 3 there is again 1, so this is x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula, and now using this formula what are we going to do is we are going to find out the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 minus 3 minus 5. So first of all we have to use this formula, so I'll just write down the values for x1 x2 y1 y2 and x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3, correct? So x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 4, x3 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 6 and y3 is equal to minus 5. I always prefer to write this first because then now applying the formula is easy. There is less chance for you to make mistakes. So this is the formula. So the area is equal to half into x1, that is equal to 1, into y2 minus y3. y2 is 6 minus y3, minus of minus 5 is plus 5, correct? So we have plus x2, x2 is 4, so this is going to be minus 4, correct, into y3 minus y1. So y3 is minus 5, minus y1 is minus of minus 1 is plus 1, correct? So what we have over here is x3 plus x3, again this is minus 3, so this is going to be minus, into y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1, correct, and y2 is 6, so this is going to be minus 6, and that is it, correct? So what do we have over here? We have half into, now it is only calculations, half into, this is 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 4 into minus 4, that is equal to plus 16, correct? We have minus 7 into minus 3, this is equal to plus 21, correct? Now what do we have over here is 16 plus 21, that is equal to 37, plus 11, that is equal to 48. So this is equal to half into 48, that is equal to 24 square units. So the area of the triangle whose vertices are this and this is 24 square units. Now I'll tell you another thing, a little bit more theory for this. What we have over here is we have a formula to find the vertices of find the area of a triangle when the vertices are given. But what happens if the three vertices given are not a triangle? What other figure can we draw from 3 points on a xy axis? If we have any 3 points, let's say here, here and here, we can still draw a triangle. But if these 3 points, let's say that 3 points, I'm just erasing this, okay? Let's say that the 3 points that we draw are collinear. That means that they lie in the same line. Then this is the only other figure we can draw from 3 points on a plane. Am I correct? This is the only other figure. If these points are not in a straight line, if this third point is anywhere else, we can draw a triangle. Then we'll be able to find out the area of that triangle, correct? But if 3 points are there which are collinear, then the area, applying this formula, then the area is going to be 0 for these. Do you understand? The area using this formula is going to be 0. Correct? This is something that I need to tell you. Now another thing is, now imagine that you have to find out the area of a quadrilateral. So what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, am I correct? So let's draw any four-sided figure. Correct? This is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Right? Now what do I need to do is, if I have to find out the area of this, and this is in the coordinate axis, xy axis, so what do I do is, I just divide this into two triangles. It can be from here, or I can join AC. I can either join AC or BD, any of these. So I join AC. Now to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD, what do I have to do is, I have to find the area of triangle ABC and the area of triangle ADC. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Okay, so this is how we find the area of a quadrilateral in the coordinate axis.